Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, your weekly beauty reporter, coming to you live today with a video that I did way back in the day with a scarf that I used as a head wrap. But today I'm coming to you with a level up using one of the head wraps from Nadora Iman, and this is full silk, perfect for my natural hair beauties. So everyone watching this video, you can wear whatever style you like with this scarf. I'm just going to be showing you 5 different styles today. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to keep watching. Subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this. I'm going to be using this scarf. So look, number 1, you'll take this to the back of your head like so. And then you'll take the sides to the front and you'll tie it. Once it's tied, I make sure it's up over my ears and everything. And then I twist this to the back. Well, I tuck this piece in and then I twist it to the back, around, and then twist to the back and around. And then I tuck both of them in. And then we have the cute hair bun like so, super lightweight and perfect. So if you don't like the twist, what you can do is take it in the same style, and then you want to tie this again like so. Make sure the front is tucked in, and then you want to wrap it around the bun. So you want to open the front and you want to take it and wrap it around like so, and then twist the end to tuck in the front. Then you want to take the other side and do the same thing, so keeping it open, and then gripping it to twist around the side. So this gives you a wider look compared to the other one, which is more concise. Okay, so now we're going to switch our hair style. And I'm gonna pull out some bang, like so. And then pull this all down to the back. And put it in the front of your head like this, and then I like to tie it in the back. And then what you can do is twist the top and cross over. Around the bun like so. And then in the front, we can pull it up closer to the front, so then it's like a little wrap like this. Which I was just rocking a different scarf in the same style, and it's just so cute and comfy. It adds a little pizzazz. Okay, so then for the same style, you have it tied, but we want it tied a little bit more evenly. So let's readjust, just make sure it's even on both sides. And then you want to twist both sides across the top. So, and tuck it under. And then do the same thing to the other side. Like so. Now you feel like a whole crowned princess. So if you're not into headbands and you want something more subtle, then this is the perfect wrap for you. This material is perfecto. Alright, so then for the final look, let me tell you, there's so many different looks you can do. These are just a few that I will be wearing. So we're going to tuck in the sides to fully cover the head, and then tie it again in the back. and then leave the sides out. You can tie how many times you want to, and then you can just leave these down like so. So in this video, we learned 5 different hairstyles to use with a wrap and how to wrap your hair. This particular one is from Nadora Iman. If you're interested in more videos like this, leave a comment down below and let me know which one of the looks is your favorite, which ones you worn before, if you'll be shopping Nadora Iman for this beautiful silk. This is like an icy blue, and it is, and you just feel amazing wearing it. It's super lightweight. It does multiple things with it. It's the perfect head wrap to add to your collection. Be sure to check out these 2 videos right here. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Toodles.